Hello, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In the previous video we have seen the dependency of Q point on the temperature we have seen. Now we are going to formulate this into the stability conditions. Now first it is the temperature stability factor because of ICBO. We have seen the dependency of IC on VBE, beta and ICBO. ICBO can be written as ICO also, right? ICBO we are replacing with ICO. Now first is the temperature stability factor due to ICO, that is change in IC with respect to the change in ICO, keeping other two parameters constant, that is we are not changing VBE and beta. Now how to define S dash or SI? It is the SI called as current dependency on, that is the stability factor because of the current. The definition is, it is defined as the ratio of the change in collector current due to change in the leakage current, ICO, keeping beta and VBE constant. This is the definition of SI or S dash, right? This is the first temperature stability factor, S dash. So we have completed with ICBO. Still we have two parameters left with VB and beta. Coming to the next parameter, it is voltage stability factor due to VBE. Now this is because of VBE, so we'll have the change in IC because of VBE formulated as S double dash, and it is written as SV. Since we are finding the stability factor because of voltage, so we write it as SV. For current we were writing it as SI, right? Keeping ICO and beta to be constant. Now coming to the definition of this, what we can say, it is defined as the ratio of the change in the collector current due to the change in base emitter voltage, keeping beta and ICO constant, and we denote it as SV because we are finding stability because of voltage. So S suffix V or S double dash are the representation for voltage stability factor due to VBE, we can call it as. Then the last is the current gain stability factor. Current gain stability factor is due to beta, right? So what we can say, it is the change in IC with respect to change in beta, keeping VBE and ICO constant, right? So we have seen dependency of IC on beta, VBE and ICO, and this is the last, what is beta, and what is the definition? It is defined as the ratio of change in collector current due to change in common emitter current gain. Beta is common emitter current gain, keeping ICO and VBE constant, that is other two parameters are constant while measuring one parameter. Measuring the change in IC because of ICO, you keep beta and VBE constant, right? This is how we are measuring the stability factor. Now coming to the conclusion, we have seen that the dependency of the change in IC with respect to ICO is more as compared to beta and VBE. So our more focus would be on this parameter SI, that is current stability factor, the change in IC because of change in ICO. So whatever derivations you will have will be basically on SI. They will give you the value of SI because the dependency of ICO is more as compared to the other two parameters. So we'll more focus on SI or S dash parameter over here.